Our last guests today are Christy Williamson and Victoria Bellamy, here to talk about the 2017 Brunswick Beacon Health Expo. Welcome to the show today, Christy and Victoria. It's such a pleasure to have you all.
Thank you for having us.
Before we start, Christy, remind us what you do at the Brunswick Beacon.
I am a sales executive at the Brunswick Beacon. I've been there 17 years.
Wow.
I am also our special events coordinator for the different events that we do throughout the year. We've been doing the Health Expo for 11 years now, so looking forward to another great one.
And that's what we're here to talk about today.
Awesome.
Victoria, what is your title at the hospital?
I'm the Social Responsibility Specialist at Novant Health, Brunswick Medical Center.
Sounds important.
She is important.
And I'm sure it is. Well, today we're here to talk about the Brunswick Beacon Health Expo, which is on February 25th. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And it's at the Charlotte Middle School?
That's right.
Okay. Christy, tell me a little bit more about what's being offered at the event.
Like I said, this is the 11th year, and it has grown every year.
Sure.
So we have various free screenings, everything from all medical screenings. I know that we're going to have A1C and cholesterol,
Sure.
blood pressure, everything up to vision and hearing screenings as well.
That sounds awesome. Awesome. Well, who can attend the event? Anybody?
It is open to the public. Everybody is welcome. Children through senior citizens, everything is free and available to everyone.
So it doesn't cost anything?
Doesn't cost a thing.
Great. What are the times for the expo?
It begins at 9 a.m. and it's over at 2 p.m.
Great. Well, I know that Novant Health is participating in the event, so Victoria, tell me about that.
Yep, so Novant Health is the presenting sponsor for, I think, the 11th year in a row.
Woohoo!
Yay! So we will have a lot of information there. We'll have information on our hospital services. We'll also have information on our physician practices, both primary and specialty care. And we will offer a few different screenings. We'll have mobile mammography available that day. We'll also do our remarkable use screenings, which is what Christy just mentioned with the blood pressure, BMI, and the A1 screening. And we'll do cholesterol screenings. We'll also help out with a medication disposal. The Brunswick County Sheriff's Office will help us dispose of those medications, so anybody can bring medications, no questions asked, we'll get rid of them. And then we are also hoping to have a shred truck at the event, so you can bring your documents that you need to get rid
of.
Yeah,
a huge box I need to bring.
Yeah, well, it's the perfect time of year.
That's great.
Everybody's,
Taxes.
New year, trying to get cleaned out. Perfect time to do that. So we're excited about that new addition this year.
Get back to mobile mammo.
Okay.
Do they need appointments?
We recommend appointments if they call the radiology department at the hospital, which is 910-721-1485. They can call ahead of time and just go ahead and get scheduled for that day, and that's February 25th at Charlotte Middle School.
Okay, and they need to reference that they're coming to the expo and what have you. And they're, will they file insurance and all those?
They can. So we have awesome technicians that are on the coach that do the mobile mammography, and they also go through the application process and the insurance process. If there's someone that doesn't have insurance or is underinsured, they can apply to our Foundation Breast Health Fund, and if they meet a certain financial criteria, they can have those funds covered. Really easy process, just something they need to mention to the technician on the coach. And
will the Novant Health clinics and practices be represented there?
They will. We'll have representation from our primary care physicians, as well as several of our specialty, including urology, surgical services, sleep, health, pulmonary, plastic surgery, gastroenterology, all of them. So they'll all be there.
All right, let's, in wrapping up, let's tell them where, when, and what time again.
It is at Charlotte Middle School, which is 225 Village Road in Charlotte. It is February 25th from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. We would love to have everyone come out and take advantage of all the great services there.
Sounds awesome.
Well,
ladies, thank you so much for being here today, and I look forward to seeing you at the expo.
Thank you
Thank you for having us.
You're welcome.